So as you guys can see, we're going towards the Civic. So that's my Civic. You guys can see, I think it's, you guys seen this car more than, yeah, you guys seen this car a lot. Rust spots, typical daily Civic rust. So yeah, let's get in and we'll talk more about it for sure. Wow, my eyes look so tired. Whoa. The reason why, guys, is because I had like a state or provincial exam to do to get my license so I can get certified in my field. I'm a kinesiologist, so basically what that entails is basically mostly rehab, cognitive rehab, muscle rehab, any kind of rehab like stroke, Parkinson, heart attacks, yeah, all that good stuff. So mostly like hospital work or like clinic work. So yeah, because I finished my degree last year, and so I had to study for my exam, so that's why I was like MIA for like good 2 weeks. But now I'm done. Summer's about to start here in Canada, so we're gonna have a lot of good stuff coming to the channel, lots of videos, new content, lots of ideas too with friends and stuff. So I hope you guys make sure to check my videos out. I really want, well, I won't spoil it right now. I will make a videos of my goals for this year, and we will definitely talk more about it. But now back to my Civic. So the big reason why I have to sell my Civic, I don't have to sell it, I could fix it, but my engine's about to blow. My engine's gone. It's knocking, it's taking everything that could possibly go wrong with an engine. My engine is doing right now. I could fix it. A buddy of mine has a B18 for me that he could give me, but the only issue is he lives like an hour and a half away from my house, and I honestly don't think my car could make it all the way there without towing it. So for that reason, I think I'm just gonna sell the car, get the money, work like maybe like a month, and then get myself a new daily. But for the meantime, I think I'll be using the Toyota MRS to get around, and like my family cars, like mom, dad, or my brother's cars, to do my errands here and there, and to try to keep the MRS as fresh as possible. It's a really beautiful car. The paint is new, so I really want to protect everything. And so yeah, I will show you guys the issue. I will turn on the key, and we'll go to the hood and check everything out. Alright guys, so you guys can hear the car. It's pretty noisy, it's pretty loud. So the issue with the car is I have a crank pulley that's broken, so it's leaking oil constantly. I think I have to fill like almost like 1 quart every 1 or 2 weeks. So that's pretty drastic right there, and it's knocking, it's leaking. So if you guys see on the side here, on the engine block down there, I think you guys can see it in the video, like over there. Yeah, you guys can see it's like sweating oil and everything. Yeah, the engine is not operating the way it should be. It should be right now. And let me crank it so you guys can hear the sound. So you guys can hear that knocking. Yeah, pretty loud. So it's GG for this engine. So we're gonna have to get a new car or a new engine. I'm not 100% sure what I'm about to do, but so yeah, that's the issue. You guys can hear it, you guys can see it, I guess. But yeah, so I don't know, I'm gonna think about it. But this might be the last video you guys see about the Honda Civic. It was a really nice car. I loved it. It did its purpose. I got the car to tool around town. Actually, let me drop the camera. So as I was saying, so yeah, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with the car yet. I might just sell it or get a new motor, maybe get like a VTEC swap or something. But the whole idea of the whole purpose of that car was really to have a vehicle to tool around during winter time. It did its purpose really well, I think. It gave a break to my Toyota MRS. It was really good. Oh, actually, my brother's here. Oh no, you guys can hear the Lexus. Yeah, but it's a sweet car actually. to Jay-Z and everything. But yeah, oh actually, you guys might hear something. Wait, let me see. Okay, no, there's a plane and everything. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna conclude this video. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but as I was saying, we're maybe gonna swap a motor in it, maybe go VTEC. That would be the D17A, the engine from Japan, because it revs higher too, and the compression is higher on that engine. Because I think here in Canada or in US, North America, we get the D17A2 instead of just A. So yeah, I will definitely get that. And yeah, the Honda did his purpose. It was a daily for winter time, so I could get around, work, school, whatever, sports. And yeah, the car was great. I loved it. It did what it was supposed to do. Everything was fantastic in that car. Plus I had like aftermarket stereo, so that was really a bonus. So listening to aux music, that was good. But yeah, let's finish this video, guys. I've been rambling a lot. I wasn't prepared to do a video, but I wanted to see you guys. I look so tired with my eyes and stuff. It's really bad. I need to sleep. But yeah, have a nice day. I don't know where you guys are. Thank you so much for the support, and keep watching and liking my stuff, and don't forget to subscribe. And as always, in speed we trust, guys.
We about to turn it on.